Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of TechCover. Today in this video I just want to show you how to get Spotify premium membership for free. So if you just want to know about this, follow my video instruction. First of all, you just have to open the browser of your PC or your phone. Then what you're going to do, you just have to type Spotify on the search box, and then you have to click on the first result you got here on the browser. Now you can see when you sign up for Spotify premium, it's 0 for the first 3 months. Now what you're gonna do, you have to get the premium, and this offer is for new users just want to sign up for Spotify. Now we're gonna enter the Gmail address to here, then we're gonna create our password. Now we're gonna fill this box with our name and date of birth, then we're gonna tick both of these boxes, then go click on sign up and wait a few seconds until you get in payment page. Now we have to add our card information in this page. You can see 0 for 3 months. Now I'm just going to use this option. Now I'm just going to fill this box with my credit card information. So let me do it. Once I'm done, I'm just going to complete the purchase. So click over here, and here we go. It's just verifying our purchase and we all set. And you can use your Spotify here on your MacBook or in your phone by logging with your account you created over here on Spotify website. So we can listen any music we want here, and this is super cool, and thanks for Spotify for this offer. And don't waste your time, go just sign up to Spotify to get your free premium membership. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick to talk videos. Bye bye my friends. Peace.